ഇന്നത്തെ എക്സ്റ്റൻഷൻ ലെക്ചറിലേക്ക് എവരെയും സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനായി പൗരസ്ത്യ വിദ്യാപീഠം പ്രസിഡന്റ് ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട പോളി മണിയാട്ടച്ചനെ സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
Very Reverend Father Joseph Palackal, Reverend Father Rector, dear fathers, brothers and sisters. This afternoon we have a very useful and of course a precious session guided by a very eminent personality, and that's Father Joseph Palackal, CMI, an internationally reputed scholar, especially in the realm of musicology. I would like to introduce in a few words Father Joseph Palackal. Father Joseph Palackal is a religious priest belonging to the Kalamassery province of CMI congregation. He hails from the famous family of Palackal Syro Malabar, the founder of the first indigenous congregation, Carmelites of Mary Immaculate. He is a distinguished music composer, lyricist, singer, Indic musicologist and author of numerous articles on music. One of his important contributions is the book Syriac chants in South India, and his music CD Kambal Maran, the Syriac chants from South India, is a famous one. He has master's degree in ethnomusicology from the Hunter College in New York, and he has PhD in ethnomusicology from the City University of New York. He is the founder president of Christian Musicological Society of India. Just one word about this society. The Christian Musicological Society of India is an international forum for interdisciplinary discussion and dissemination of knowledge on the music, art and dance of about 30 million Christians in India, who belong to a diverse set of communities and linguistic groups and follow a variety of liturgical traditions, some of which date back to the early Christian era. He is the founder director of Nadopasana Todupuzha, a center for giving training to liturgical music. He has done the musicology research for the Oscar-winning Hollywood movie Life of Pi. He has got the White Pantaleonian Prize for the best student paper presented at the Mid-Atlantic chapter of the Society for Ethnomusicology. Then he has also got the Rosa Riegelman Heights Scholarship in Music from Hunter College, New York. He is the director of the International Aramaic Project. The major concerns of the Aramaic project, it's part of a large plan of digital library of Christian music in India under the auspices of the Christian Musicological Society. It makes a documentary film on this, then it's preparing a digital encyclopedia of Syriac chants. And so many works are there. I don't enumerate all. I have just given a summary idea of this great personality. Father Joseph Palackal is very much interested in the St. Thomas Christian heritage, especially its Syriac musical heritage. And Father Joseph Palackal believes that we have something precious to contribute to the whole Christian world. That's why he is working from the United States, cooperating with leading musicologists and experts in the fields of culture and history to promote our heritage. And thus he is doing a wonderful contribution to our church. It's indeed a real honor for us that Father Joseph Palackal is now giving us the extension lecture. Now I would like to thank in a special way Father Varghese Mattathil, our Syriac theology professor and the Syriac language professor in PVP, who has organized this extension lecture. He contacted Father Joseph Palackal and made arrangements for this. So thank you, dear Father Varghese. Now the program would be like this. First of all, Father Palackal would be delivering the lecture, and thereafter we will have 15 minutes for our discussion. We can have clarifications, opinions expressed. So I wish you all a wonderful time. So I most cordially welcome you, dear Father Palackal, to the St. Thomas Apostolic Seminary community and Paurasthya community is practically one and the same. So happy welcome, dear Father.